Well, I hope you can see me because it's 5:45 in the morning. We're at Bradford Park in Davidson, North Carolina. We're playing early before work. It's just the best way to get it in today. Hole 1, I hope you can see it. If not, the sun will come out, so stay tuned. It's 274-foot par 3. It's a pretty tough shot. You got to make it through the tunnel, try and get on the green. We're going to go RazorClaw3 from Discmania. Little high, highs are early. Not enough turn. All right. The most annoying part about playing early is the dew on the grass. I can't wait to get in the woods. Not too hard though. Not coming back. All undercommitted. Lots of tapping pars, probably next hole 2, but maybe not after that. Yeah, not bad backhand. I'm gonna fade too far. Yeah. Love it. Yeah. Short, but. Oh yeah. 2 in a row. You can't get circle. Oh no. That was a weird kick and good. I don't understand how I landed here after kicking early. I saw some weird ground play. I'm taking that bonus birdie though. I came out early and high. That's a bad place to be. Oh no. That's not good. Hope this is worth it. Oh man. That close. I deserve this bogey and I'm drenched. Too much time. Wow. Ah, the last. This is gonna be a weird putt. Let's go. Oh. Dang. It's too bad. That's usually an easy birdie. Why did that flip on me? What a waste. Big skip left. Yeah, I'll take it. Not bad. Get down! Why am I missing putts? Turned over. Jumpers are working today. Let's do that. Turned early. And kick to the right. All right. Keep turning. Yeah. I'll take it. Or more. All right. Damn it! It's just a nasty bogey. Short and right, like always.